In the final part of churches to visit in Naga City for Visita Iglesia 2024, we explore 3 more significant parishes. Canonically erected on September 29, 1990, Our Lady of Mount Carmel Parish comprises upper barangays Carolina, Bacol, Panikwason, and Cibao. Located at the foot of Mount Isarog, it offers natural tropical sceneries that are dearly cherished by locals. The parish celebrates its feast day every 16th of July with Our Lady of Mount Carmel as patron saint. Next, we visit Mary Coredemptrix Church. The rich spiritual history of Mary Coredemptrix Church dates back to its solemn dedication and consecration on September 15, 2000. The church's dedication to Mary Coredemptrix reflects a deep-rooted aspect of Catholic theology, emphasizing Mary's unique role in the redemption of humanity alongside her Son, Jesus Christ. The church celebrates its feast day every Friday before the Holy Week. Finally, we stop at Our Lady of Peñafrancia Shrine. It is located at Plaza Miguel Robles de Covarrubias, where the Traslacion procession of Our Lady of Peñafrancia begins, marking the start of the Peñafrancia Festival. The church, built in 1711, was a gift from Reverend Miguel Robles de Covarrubias, who introduced the devotion of Ina to the Bicol Region. Before its construction, the parish church served as the original home of the image of Our Lady of Peñafrancia. Today, it stands as one of East Asia's most significant Christian pilgrimage sites.